halor kapatisi TV.
मणिपुर पुआरी की सकम मणिपुर पुआरी की सकम Save Manipur Bhavan, save our history, save our pride.
Long live Manipur heritage!
Save Manipur Bhavan, save our history, save our pride.
Long live Manipur heritage!
Save Manipur Bhavan.
Ki Samla na jala Manipur ki Bhavan Pule hanong ba Shillong Meghalaya haka karwai tarik urisau arajar apsan kila pelong ya ka jeshong kelan mungor hakmat ka Manipur Bhavan ka badan hanong ba Shillong ban penpau ya ka jing Pyrshah halor ka jing penprano ya ka yeng ka balarim ka balatay nadu kisnam khat khandai spa laipo ye ka jing Pyrshah jong ka Shillong Manipuri Students Union ka long halor ka nongrem ba ka Manipur Bhavan ka balatibru kum ka Red Land Building ka don ya ka khana pateng ka bayadai bat ka culture ka tenrai bat ka lariti ki jajban riu Manipuri ki basyong basa ha ka jala Manipur kumban chupentep hangni baya ka Manipur Bhavan ka balong teng ka shlam trekam jong ka sarkar phareng menba kidang senchar ya kari India bat ye ki jala ha ka than chatei lamingi ka khana pateng gaong badai house nam khat khandai spa sob khandai yaus em bot Chandra Singh ubalasha slojno ka ikhtiar hadien baya kalama jong u la penyeso syaka dauba India la set ha kisau kenro jong ka Red Land Building ne ka Manipur Rajbari ka badan ha Shilenter jong ka surong Boys Road ha nongba Shillong ka steel ke stramayam ka weni ki Samla Pule Manipur ha ka jekran bat ka batisi TV kalaong baki Samla Pule kinom weng satya ya ka jekhi kat ba ka sarkar Manipur kampat la ban ajuba manu badon ktiban penpra ya ka ni ka yeng ka bala kalalong menta kum ka jingtay nam umen barem
Save Manipur Bhavan, save our history, save our pride.
Long live Manipur heritage!
Save our Manipur Bhavan, save our history, save our pride.
Long live Manipur heritage!
Save our Manipur Bhavan, save our history, save our pride.
Long live Manipur heritage!
The thing is that, sir, the first fact is that it's a historical monument, a historical site, which carries a deep sentiments for all the people. And the fact that first we were made aware that it was being renovated, but no, it was demolished later when we came back a bit later, a week later. When we came back the previous week, we were informed that they're renovating it. So we weren't having any problems with it. But later when we came back, as you can see, the historical site, it's totally demolished. So we want to know the actual person who are behind it and why is it being demolished. So we would continuously protesting until and unless we get our answers from the government. So the question that we would like to ask everyone is that which authority is responsible for the demolition of Manipur Bhavan, which is a historical site and being deeply rooted emotionally to the history of Manipur? We would like to get the answer very soon for that. After the demolition of this site, why isn't there any historical evidence of this historical site? Isn't it just questionable?
Pin riu spa ya kak tien la jong pin dam kam ya ka bakan kiyo kak tien khasi kak tien la jong ai kan roi kan pa balai phi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka kentien khasi kardop lani phalor bli lani khang ya ka tu ka phalor ni ju ya ong saka weipan kakten khasi kam ju ong ban ya kiw yau up hinrengi kiw yau thep tin la jo to da yakan mau kendet ho lapan mi da ka pati CTV na ka benta ka jingmentoi upat ba